Dan, I've actually got one. I don't go any closer in case they go off. That's the baby that just flew on the back. I've just seen Daddy feeding it. Ah, but you missed that. You reached round and fed him. He's on the peanuts with him now, hiding round the back. There's his beak. There's he had some. Patience. An opportunist, we've got one. It's not as good as when they're bouncing about on the wall, but actually that might be better. Oh, he's having a go now. Oh, is he going to stay and have a go? He is. That's his lesson learnt, is it? He's looking for loose bits, isn't he? That's better, you got to be straight on them and drill them. You can see the rainfall we're having today. It's been heavier than this, it's really just what the fields wanted. Aha. This is going to be a long video, I think. Strangely, on this video, on the camera, it hasn't got a counting clock. I don't know how long this video is, which is unusual. But I do know I get some good stuff on it. Splodgers are busy up and down. You just see them crossing the lens occasionally. If I zoom out, there's a lot more. I'm going to sign off now and risk going a bit closer.